Today I'm using this Lips crankbait and I'm gonna catch the 10-pounder.
What? I'm using a white chatterbait and I'm catching any fish.
Yeah,
I don't care.
I'm Joshy Boy and I'm using a blue soft plastic Texas rig.
Blue Kiki.
I'm gonna catch a bass.
Onward.
You got 10-pounder.
Oh, it's a snap. What the
You
heck?
got nothing, Josh.
What the heck?
It's guys. I think Josh just caught something very rare. It's called concrete. Tongue, sahar. You really had to bring that up. I'ma hook you.
I mean, I got 10-pound waves. You feel me?
I in the glob.
This one. I catch my own fish because I'm a fish. So let me just dive into the water.
It's got a little bit of stickers on there.